come across so many videos, so many times. When you go see some women, they'll tell you, say, marriage not be for everybody. Everybody must not marry. I want make I tell you one story. When God create Adam, he create Adam finish. He look round. He say and say, Adam not complete. He needs somebody to complete him. He make Adam fall into deep sleep. He take one ribs from Adam. He use and take create Eve. Then when he look Adam, he look Eve. He say, yes, perfect. So, God will create this world. He not make mistake for anything. If we want to talk about the only person that is perfect is God. Only God not they perfect. So I want some women where they so much believe on social media. They believe say anything where they see for social media, they hear for social media is the best. Borrow me your ear. When you see some women where they tell you say marriage not be for everybody, look their background very well. You see and say they don't marry, they divorce. So once they don't divorce, it be like a devil, Lucifer, when God they throw from heaven. It takes some agents follow body because he no want drown alone. He no want go there alone. So it takes some of the angels, he carry them follow body so that he not go there alone. So many women, their marriages don't fail. So if they fail, they bitter, they bitter, they angry. So they wish for some people, other women to be like them. So they wish for other people to be like them. That's why you go see them come on social media to tell you that marriage not be for everybody. My dear lovely sisters, marriage is for everybody. Show me any perfect marriage out there and I'll tell you say you dey lie. No marriage where they perfect. Ain't no day. You will be the woman. You no good. Men, they're not good. So we are just we just be like we just try to manage imperfect people. Two people where they say marriage, we are just too imperfect. So we dey try to manage ourselves. So anytime you sit down, you say you dey look for the perfect man. Now we say you go grow green hair for your upper house. Because nobody dey perfect. If you dey look for perfect man, the man said they look for perfect woman. That means nobody will ever come to ask for your hand in marriage. Nobody go come say we come ask for your hand in marriage because as you not dey perfect. Now so that man will go marry you not still dey perfect. So I want beg some women today where be say they so much believe on social media, they won't listen to everything where person talk. Not be everything where people talk, not be you go take. It comes a time in your life where you go know say yes, you need something, there is something missing in your life. Then what will you do? You go and pick up that thing that is missing. You go pick that thing where we say they miss for your life. For to be a single mother, there's no joy in it. No joy for you to become single mother. Because in the night you need somebody to you need somebody hand to put your head. You need somebody to talk to. You need somebody to share the problem of your children with. There are some things where your children go do when your husband come back for work. You need to talk about them. You need to laugh over them. You need to be sad over them. In every day for the children's life. Either they do something that will make you joyful today, or they do something that will make you vex tomorrow. So in life, you need those people. You need a husband to follow talk, to follow gist, to share your problem with. When you not get those things, every time you go, they vex. Because there is something that is not complete in your life. So make una stop to deceive people. Let them know that your own fail. Your own not work out. Fine. But not let them know say there's no joy in it. There is joy in it. As we take get happy moments in marriage, na so we take get trial moments in the marriage. You no fit tell me say you marry, you dey sad all your life. No, there must a day fit come una go just happy throughout, una go laugh throughout, una go rejoice throughout. You go wish to remain in marriage. A day go come, you go say no, God forbid that if na so marriage be, I will comot. But if you give yourself small time, you see, I say that period, that moment of your time, your life, you go still pass. So stop deceiving people that everybody must not marry. I don't see so many people wey be say yes, at the end of the day you are 40 something, you're going to 50. A boy of 25 will come dey approach you. You know why? Because you don't get cover over your head. That cover wey husband suppose put for your head, that glory, that crown wey your husband suppose put for your head. Anybody wey see you dey pass go say, ah, you know that woman, na her husband, na be that person. That is the glory over you. But when that glory not there with you, any cockroach fit come, you go wan approach you because you are there is nothing covering you. Nothing wey be say they cover you. You dey exposed. You dey exposed to carry any virus, you dey exposed to carry any disease. So husband is good, but if your own fail, some men go say, wetin dem wan use wife take do if not be because of children. But let that man get far from his wife for some time. You go come see and say, yeah, you go tell say, ah, woman good for us. So as woman take good for us, na so man take good for us. No one wey be say dey useless. But sometimes you fit go jam something wey be say you no fit bear. Instead of you to die there, you are advised to quit. Yes, then if you quit, you no mean say you no go fit try again. You no mean say you no go fit jam better person tomorrow. But letting people know that there's no road there, letting people know say no joy for them. Oh, everybody must not marry. Oh, just born 1 or 2 children, just they live your life, they go. No, there's joy in it. There's joy in it. Our mothers marry. Our mothers marry. Even now, men they fear to even carry 2 women put for us. But our parents' time, they marry 2, 3, 4, 5, and they live together. They happy together. But I know say no woman of these days go want hear that story. But even one, some men don't even feel handle. Some men don't feel handle because they don't so much fix their life for social media. I won't let you know say so many things there. They are all fake. I can do anything just to get views. And those people wey they tell una the truth, una no dey lie they follow them. Una no agree watch their channel, una no agree subscribe, una no agree follow them. They just look at the ones wey be like say they go tell you say na lie. If your husband talk to you and tear nothing dey happen, e dey craze, who born am? You say una go run follow am. And that same person wey they tell you say if before my husband talk jack, I don't slap am, my husband no go fit try this thing. Go in house for real life. You go see and say na she even turn to boy for the man. You go see and say fear no dey let am talk for house. But you just dey do all those things just to get views, to get followers. My dear wonderful women, make una wake up. Make una wise up. Everything una say for social media, not be everything, not be truth. So make una learn how to take to see the truth from being. Some people they do it just to cash from. Some people they for this social media just to cash from. You understand? So make una not believe everything we una see for this place. Not be everything. My people use and make parable. When somebody tell you 10 words, go your own quiet time. Deliberate on those 10 words where the person give you. Use your brain to select the one will be the truth for his side. When you select the one will be the truth for his side, you take the one where they important for you. You throw away the remaining one. If not 10 person talk, you reason and say that one that they useful to you. Pick that one, dump the 9 for inside pit. So I just want to advise some women where because their marriages they won't break can just because of social media. Because I say this woman just come, he just show and say my husband use 100 inches this thing to do my birthday. My husband use car to do my birthday. So because your husband not they do that one, that means the husband not turn to fake husband. She feel buy am by herself. If it be say the car not be even her own, you go just use her just to say, hey, not be mad like you be that. No, never you use your husband to compare any man for her side. Your husband and your husband, you na you, me na me, my husband and my husband. So there can never be two. Me na one, you na one, everybody for life, we are all one. So don't use your husband to compare anybody. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe, like and share, and drop your comments. Let me know how you feel about this video, and I'll see you guys again in my next video. For now.